Hello everyone, I am standing at falls. This represents the divine masculine aspects of the creator God's energy. So very beautiful energy. I can feel my heart expanding, and all I'm gonna do is place my hand on my heart and ask the sacred energy of this vortex to connect deep within my being. I ask all Holy Spirits, Masters, Guides, Angels, most beautiful divine masculine aspects of the American Falls, the sacred vortex energy, the sacred energy of all Holy Spirits, Masters, Guides, Angels, the energy of portals, realms and dimensions, the pathways to sacred light cities. I open myself and I open my heart. I am ready to connect with this energy. Anushto kotoshte shasha shashara satakatashte na shutu 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 stokotoshto transhan sante tektesh terene taktesh terene taktesh terene tak 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 tara nata tu 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 kutushtu narashutu nan kanshanste nanaro shatro kotoshte tata shata tata taptash tata tata katash tara nada shato to kotoshto naktushti shutu tu tu kutushti Shanaru hakutushtu kutushti takata tata takatash tara nanakutoshto nanoroto soto to 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 drostere namra shatara kanash tara nanuriaru aru 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 satra kataste. I completely balance divine masculine aspects of my being. I am ready to connect with the divine masculine aspects of the water element, the element of snow, all the sacred plants, starlight beings, portal energies. In this divine masculine American Falls sacred vortex, Haru shara katashte sakte shatere satere sararu hakuriaru sara shararum saratam rashasata shatan shatan shatakantan sante shatete rene sete rene nanahu shuri. Beautiful energies. I ask, and I am ready to open my heart, all of my being. I am ready to open. I am ready to experience my own divinity, more higher expression of my own soul, my own self. More and more deeper expression. I am opening, I am opening, I am opening, I am opening. Hikru toshto toktoshte taso tasho tasho tashatasha sata takastaktas terene taktash terene taknesh terene tatoshi tikutushtiri ashuria luria prashta samnarashtara nadasho tokotoshto tokotoste tetetetetetetetetesh terene taktash terene taktesh terene taktesh terene namnuri shitikutish turi akuri hakuri ushur akura kura 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 soto taktas tatrapatas terene taktash tatatatatatatatatatatatata Tamroshi toro shirokro sotro shakro pototo sokte te katakta hakta manakata santere nanaru 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 raru saturi ninashatam sanste danushiti ti soto kotoshto apluri hakuturi hakuturi asturi ana narasha takata 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 aro I am opening. I release all that do not serve me. I release all that do not serve me. I release all that do not serve me. I am opening. I am opening. I am opening. I am opening. I am ready to connect. I am ready to connect with my higher expression of soul, my own divine presence, my mana. Haru katoshto shatashate satekateshte rakrushi tiri shatashatara saptara katashte nakno shatro shaloro krosho sotro damrushi katish turu katush turi shiti riri shiri nakrun shara Shotro Sotro Nokto Shterene Nakna Shuturi Nishatra Shamra Shakta Shara Satre Shetre Haloro Sototro Shotro Naruhara Satra Mansanstre Darum Brundre Drekateshte Naknoshana Haknushiri Nashuriya Samsamshana Taransare Roro Saro Nashonsana Kanshansate Tanuriya Marundiya Narundino Rorore Narokano Hankansana Shamshamshana Saramrare Raririo Rororio Karumtiyo Narummana Hikotoshto connecting with the sacred energy, the sacred vortex energy, the divine masculine, divine feminine, balancing, bringing the higher and deeper aspects of femininity, the highest and purest expression of femininity, the highest and purest expression of masculinity. With the deepest love, I am balancing, integrating and expressing masculinity and femininity with balance. Hakro shoknosto shato shato shoplo shato soto shato, aligning with the element of water, aligning with the sacred ley lines, sacred vortex energy. Hakru shano soto tato sto katoshti takashta takatasta pakatashte tekatashte tekatashte te tapno katosh torono dasuti turi usturi anuri astarana namno roshoto torono dano dandan darana dano katashta namrori kosturi anuri astata tarana kanashterene dashoto 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 Sampan kanshan sante tekdes terene daktus kiti kutus tuturius turianura tutukis kiti kata tarana namnoro tokostorono nanoria tuturianarata namruru tosto so konshon te daru Saknoro no hokni rini nakana sakna stamna shatatarana darundo dobro dokroste Pakashan sanste namno shatatarana hanushiti dikatashtarana dato shoto patostorene dashlara satram rasha satra darasha satatre Sharankan sanstre shaknere terene datokotoshti dikatoshti dikatashtarana darno shatatarana dakatashtarana dakatashtarana Ramshuruya haurua surya rurasuturiya sturia narashoto om rom sanstre I flow in life as a water flows. I flow. I am opening. My heart is opening, my mind is opening, my soul is opening, all of my being is open. I am opening. the sacred energy of this vortex to help me release all that do not serve me. I am open to the deeper expansion and opening of my higher heart, all my ascension chakras. Haknosh te taktash tere ni daktosh ti tu shutu turi haktosh turi anurasha tatarana danoshans tere ni daktosh torona daktosh torona daktosh torona dakosha to toktosh tere ni daktosh tere ni daktosh tere ni danshons te tarashoto soktosh torona dashoti tishtu tu 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 turish tarukash tarana nanurasha tatarana dansan kanshan sans tere ni daktosh tere ni daktosh tere ni daktosh tere ni haktosh ti ti tu kutosh tu kutosh ti ti tiri takta tariya turi anura taktash tarana. Expansion of higher heart, expansion of higher heart, expansion of higher heart. Hangron doro doro shakro soro shoro soro koro shoro katosh toro sotisti ha o aru aru shara katasham ste dekatesh terene daru hakatos toplo kato toro kato pa takata katara karara prasatara krash kanamra kansan ste Nakon shons tere teknesh tere ne shalaru hasu tu tu shturi ashturi anura sata manatan sans tere ne taktash tere ne daru shakato toro toro shaloro prosh toro shatre sampransham santre darasham san santre dere shetre darashoto to toro kotos tere ne takta takta turi aturiana takta nakarana shtarana nara satarana namra shata Nakansan tere ne taktash tere ne thalura shatala plakra shafata ta kansan tere ne takna de dere ne daru diri hututuri pushturi anuri atarana knashan ste namo goro shoro sonste narushara kanshan ste. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you to the sacred energy, this beautiful vortex energy of American falls from both sides. Beautiful horseshoe falls, American falls, the sacred energy. Hakrute taktastarana dakatos tokotosto. I fully balance the divine feminine and divine masculine energies within my being. I am open to opening, I am open to the flow, and I am open to the walking mastery into my own ascension. Habun sanste, dakashanste, takate re, neraru re, ram ram tara, rakashara, sharu rasaratte re. Nakoso toli hakuri sakashan kansataka she shakasha kasarasata. Tapanshan stari harusha. With the deepest love and gratitude. Thank you, 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 thank you.